In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm in store. We'll walk through the 3 easy ways to pay with Affirm when you're shopping, directly at a partner store's checkout, in the Affirm app on your phone, or on affirm.com from a computer. Affirm partners with select retailers and may offer low or even no interest at some of them, and you can quickly look up participating stores in the app or on the website. If you're already at a partner store, start by filling your cart as usual. When you're ready to pay, choose Affirm at checkout. You'll be asked for your mobile number, then select Continue. If it's your first time, you'll create an account, which just takes a moment. Next, Affirm will text you a 6-digit one-time verification code. Enter that code to confirm it's really you. After that, you'll see whether you're approved for the purchase, and from there you can review your options and continue. Prefer to set things up on your phone beforehand? Open the free Affirm app, which you can download from the App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android. When you launch the app, enter your mobile number. First-time users will be prompted to create an account, then you'll receive a 6-digit code by text. Enter that code to verify your account. In the app, tell Affirm where you're shopping and how much you need. It's a good idea to estimate the total, with taxes and any applicable fees so your amount covers the full purchase. You'll then see whether you're approved and what you can use for your in-store checkout. The app will guide you through the next steps. If you're on a computer, you can do the same setup at affirm.com, sign into your Affirm account or create one if you're new. Affirm will text you a 6-digit code, enter it to verify, then let Affirm know where you're shopping and the amount you plan to spend. You'll see whether you're approved and can proceed from there when you head to the store. A few quick tips to make things smooth. Keep your phone handy so you can receive the verification text, and make sure you enter the code promptly as it may expire. Use the same mobile number every time you sign in, and before you accept a plan, take a moment to review the terms, including any interest and the payment schedule. That's it. Whether you start at checkout, in the app, or on affirm.com, the process is straightforward, secure, and quick. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.